at the size of this earbuds! The Philips TAT1209, and it might just be the most portable pair of earbuds you've ever seen. The big question is, can something this small deliver a decent audio experience? Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome to aceongears. Let's find out if this is the right earbud for you. And as always, all the links I mention will be down below, just to keep you know, they are affiliate links, so if you decide to buy through one of them, it's the best way to support the channel, but rest assured that they absolutely no impact on my honest opinion. In today's review, we're putting Philips Little Giant to the test. The main highlight of the Philips TAT1209 is its extremely compact and lightweight design, with a case measuring just 5 by 3 by 2.5 centimeters and an insignificant total weight, 20 grams for the case and 4 grams for each earbud, guaranteeing maximum portability. Its in-ear format offers a secure fit and passive noise isolation that helps with sound immersion. However, this same compactness results in its biggest weakness. The battery life is limited to just 18 hours of total use with the case, requiring frequent recharges for heavy users, although charging is fast, completing in about 2 hours. Now, about the functions and my experience. Pressing the earbuds 3 times skips tracks forward and backward, pressing twice plays and pauses, a single tap answers calls, and 2 taps will end them. To activate deep bass, press and hold the left earbud for a second, and for gaming mode, hold that same earbud for 2 seconds. Regarding the case settings, to reset, place the earbuds inside and press the button for 2 seconds. To force Bluetooth pairing, do the same thing but hold the button for 3 seconds until it starts flashing. One negative point here is that it doesn't automatically re-enter pairing mode after disconnecting. You always have to put it back in the case and force the process. I almost forgot the physical details. It has IP5 for protection. This means it has some resistance to dust and water splashes. It's not fully waterproof, but it has decent resistance, which makes it a positive for workouts. This is one of the first in-ear models I've tested that doesn't fall out of my ear, especially in the entry-level category. The JBL Wave Buds, for example, fall out of my ear when I'm just talking, but these from Philips stayed very secure even during an intense run. In terms of maintenance with its IP54 rating, if you sweat or get caught in the rain, I recommend drying the earbuds immediately and letting them air out before using them again. And now, let's talk about the microphone. In my opinion, the audio pickup on the Philips TAT1209 is reasonable, especially for what it is. In practice, this means you'll be able to take calls and participate in online meetings. The microphone isn't its strong suit, but it still competes well with other models from smaller brands. Now folks, regarding the sound quality, my opinion hasn't changed much. I've used these earbuds for a while longer, and my thoughts remain the same. You can get a good audio experience with them. They create a decent seal from the outside world and have a good volume level. As for the bass, mids and highs, I'd say you get a balanced equalization. It's not something that stands out compared to other Philips headphones, but it's competent. When we compare it to more basic entry-level earbuds, it's a very positive standout, delivering well-balanced audio. However, when placed next to competitors in slightly higher categories, the story changes. If you can find it on a good deal, it becomes an unbeatable option in terms of value. But, considering its standard market position, there are other options with higher quality, like the QCY T13 and the Xiaomi Redmi Buds 6 Play. And especially those from JBL, like the Wave Buds 1 or the Wave Flex 1, which far surpass this headset in terms of app settings and audio output. So, it's worth evaluating the competition. And with that, I'll wrap it up. I'll leave links in the card to the other earbuds I mentioned for you to check out. If you've decided to buy this headset and want to support my work here, my affiliate link will be in the video description or in the first pinned comment. Thank you so much. And until the next video, bye bye.